Say, fella, what's the big idea in you coming in here late?
Who, me late?
Yes, you late.
I've been here for an hour.
I don't want that stuff.
Well, I've been here...
I beg your pardon.
Mr. Spotswood, calling on Miss Odell by appointment.
She don't answer.
Has she gone out, do you think?
I've been on all night.
And you haven't seen her go out?
No, sir.
That's funny. Do you suppose she can be ill?
But we may go and knock.
Yes, let's do that.
Miss Odell.
Miss Odell, are you ill?
No.
What's the matter?
Something has happened.
Go get your pass key.
Yes. Say, fella, he's running to get a cop. And say, he gets get a big one, too.
You better let me have that.